Treat me in lunch. Ayan. Speed, subscribe my channel. Guys, how much is me? How much is me daw? I'm not expensive. I'm cheap. Mine, subscribe my channel. No, this is such 10K tita, 4 hours, gamitin kita. Abang, galing ng bata. One banana, thank you so much. You're so berry eh. Ooh! Ayan, subscribe my channel. Ayan, from Story. Thank you so much for the love and support, guys. Salamat po sa 10 million dyan, guys. Okay, I will go to you. Please pay my airplane die. I ride to the Japan Airlines. Uh and I ride to the Japan Airlines, and 2 days I will stay in the Narita, and I will stay in the Naiya, near in Naiya. Nagsalita. Oh, 10K. I see be still watching your video. Salamat. Sis Kamemeng, thank you so much. Galing niya, no? 10K daw, Diyos ko dahil. My plane ticket is maybe 20 medium, 200,000 yen. 200,000? No. Ano ba yung 20,000, 20,000, Juman 20. Oh, 20,000. 20,000 is 40K in Philippine money, my airplane die. And my I stay in the hotel for 40K. That is only maybe 500K 2 days. You want? Okay. Please support me and thank you so much. Oh, ninja. Oh, ninja sa tiningnan ko na eh. Okay? Yung airplane die is 40,000. And then stay in 2 days is 40,000, then 80,000. Coming soon, my birthday. Ay, okay. Thumbs up po, salamat. Ayun, ICB, still watching ako sa'yo, ha? Nasaan na si yung inaantay ko? Ayan. Joke lang po yun, guys, ha? Joke lang. Thank you so much for the love and support, guys. Biro lang po yun. Kasi, thank you so much for the love and support, guys. Thank you for the love and support, guys. Ayan. Andy ni Sabmi, ayan na nga ang sinasabi ko. May tumawag sa akin, nag-block na ako. Nag-block ako, wala akong kasama. Ayan. Where is my ka-collaboration? Ako nawala na. How do I coming back this one? Ay, CB, watching na ako sa'yo, ha? Ayan na, natulog na ako. May tumawag. Ay, CB, already, ha? Kamemeng, thank you. Thank you so much for the love and support, guys. Ayan. Na-stuck na ako, guys. Ayan, wala na ako. Itim, oo, may tumawag kasi, guys. Na-block kasi may tumawag. Wala pa yung kakulab ko. Paano ba babalik yan, guys? Pagka go live